Today I'm gonna show you the chain component new feature, the Spline chain component. As you can see here, I already set up a good one for you to see how does it work and what do I mean by the Spline chain component. Uh, what it does is um, you can set where this chain component could be static or where it will be dynamic. So let's create this step by step here. In this scene, I have in this scene I have my spline set up without the chain. I will add just search for the chain and I will add the spline chain. Once you added the chain, it will, or added the spline, the order is not important. So it will find the spline. What you have to do is set the number of chain segment, and here you have the spline follow weight, which define how the spline component will behave as the static or the dynamic. Okay, what you have to do is you have to if you want to make it static, you have to make the point under the 0.5, and if you want to make it dynamic, you have to make it higher than 0.5. So what I want to do is just try to find the point uh, which make the chain component static up to this point. And let's say I want to make it static up to this point as well. Then I will just, doesn't matter if it is 1 or like 0.6 or whatever, it should be just over the 0.5 or under the 0.5. So okay, I'll show you again. Up to here, the spline, the chain will act static, and from here to here, the chain will be dynamic, and then it goes for the static as again. So even if I want to make it dynamic up to the end, I just need to move the last point higher than 0.5. Okay. There was another question in my marketplace page, which was how they need a feature to apply force in on some particular point of the chain component. Here's a feature I made in this new release. I just set up a map for you. I put a regular chain component and I put an empty actor here and added an arrow to show you the direction, and I'm getting the force direction from this empty actor forward vector. What I have here is a delay to simulate the chain component and then apply force on this empty actor position, the location, and a radius, and the force, the value of the force is that empty actor forward vector times 50, and the result will be like this. Yeah. And if I just rotate this one to like higher direction, it will push the chain in that direction. It will help you to, if you want to uh, applying some forces or doing some movement, manual movement on your chain, you can do that.